So I've been vegan for over a decade, which means that I've been consuming plant-based meals for all of that time. But it wasn't until last year that I ate consistently whole food plant-based meals 80 to 90% of the time. I'm talking delicious soups and stews, loaded salads, snacks, and desserts, all made using minimally processed natural ingredients. Prior to this, I thought I was eating relatively well. There's sometimes a misconception that plant-based automatically means healthy, but this isn't always the case. I mean, deep fried chips and donuts exist. And while I wasn't consuming those round the clock, when I did assess what I was eating, I soon discovered that I was relying way too heavily on processed refined carbs such as white rice, bread, and pasta. I was also eating way more sugar, refined sugar that is, than I realized. In the same way that I went vegan overnight, I decided to change my eating habits overnight as well. That meant prioritizing nutrient-dense whole foods and doing away with excess salt, sugar, seed oils, and highly processed foods. My husband, who is also vegan, went all in with me on this, which was incredible as it meant we ate the same things and really encouraged each other to explore healthier ways to cook our meals. Within the first week, the changes that were happening were really amazing. So right away, I started losing weight, feeling more energized, waking up feeling refreshed, whereas before I'd wake up feeling groggy and moody and achy and really just not ready to face the day. I continue to eat a lot of the foods I love, so Nigerian meals cooked using healthier methods. So for example, baking my plantain instead of deep frying, or making vegetables the star of the dish rather than the heavy carbs. And things like swapping white rice for quinoa and the occasional ofada rice, which is a type of wild rice that's indigenous to Nigeria. By the way, if you enjoy nutrition and wellness content as well as healthy recipes, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to my channel. It's free, and my goal for this year is to build a lovely community of wellness-minded people in this corner of the internet. Now, if you're watching this video, it could be that you're considering a whole food plant-based way of eating, or maybe you're already on the journey. Either way, I highly recommend checking out the book Eat to Live by Dr. Joel Fuhrman. I spoke a little bit about this in the video I did a couple of weeks ago on my weight loss journey. So the book really presents an excellent case for eating the nutrient-dense way, providing a more scientific deep dive. I believe there's also an accompanying recipe book which can help, kickstart some ideas for meals you can add to your daily rotation, or even give you ideas of how you can modify your existing favorites. I'll leave links to both in the description below if you want to check it out. So outside of that, of course, there are tons of blogs and online videos that you can tap into to get some more ideas. Once you start eating this way, you will be shocked at how much your taste buds and your mindset will change. So to me now, highly processed foods don't taste as good. They're not fresh, they're overly sweet or too salty most of the time. And of course, there are some processed foods that do taste good, that don't taste that bad. And manufacturers have done a great job of making them hyper palatable and addictive, to be honest. So nowadays, I may have something processed or refined on the rare occasion, such as when I'm dining out or if I'm gifted something, but I don't actively go out of my way to search for it, nor do I stock them in my kitchen. So all in all, I'm thriving on this lifestyle. 9 months later, I'm down 25 kilograms, feeling better than ever and motivated to keep this lifestyle going. I'm 33 years old now, about to turn 34, and genuinely so glad that I'm making health a priority at this stage of my life. So let me know in the comments if you are on a similar journey or if you have any questions about how to get started. If you enjoyed this video, check out this one where I share what happened when I gave up sugar for 30 days. Catch you next time. Bye.